Hello and welcome to CryptoCoin.news.
And on Bitcoin this week, Bitcoin core team fix critical vulnerability, Brazilian broker to open crypto trading desk, and US congressman pushes new blockchain bills.
A US congressman is set to introduce 3 blockchain-based bills aimed at supporting distributed ledger technology and digital currencies.
Yes, in an official statement, Republican Tom Emmer said a business environment should be created which encourages the private sector to lead in innovation and future growth as well.
So about these resolutions, the first proposes light regulation, more support for secure, transparent and authentic blockchain technology, and a framework to protect consumers.
And the second one then stipulates that miners and certain other providers of blockchain services should not need to register as money transmitters. In other words, people who deal with consumer funds.
The third bill will provide a safe harbor for taxpayers with forked digital assets and stops for Internal Revenue Service levying fines for now against taxpayers who profit from these tokens.
Now, this news was published on the same day Tom Emmer joined the Congressional Blockchain Caucus, a bipartisan group that believes in a hands-off regulatory approach to allow the technology to evolve and thrive the same way the internet did on its own.
Now, Bloomberg reports that Brazil's largest brokerage will soon launch an exchange for Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Yes, Guilherme Benjamol, the CEO of Grupo XP, said the exchange aims to have the equivalent of $245 billion under custody by the year 2020. And in addition to that, XP will launch a new bank.
Benjamol claims around 3 million Brazilians have exposure to Bitcoin, compared to only around 600,000 that invest in stocks, and that this was the reason for expanding his company's business operations.
However, he doesn't personally sound too keen on crypto. Speaking at a recent event in Sao Paulo, Benjamol said, "I must confess, this is a theme I'd rather didn't exist, but it does."
And finally, the team behind Bitcoin Core have released a patch for a critical bug that could have paralyzed the entire network.
Yeah, really, the vulnerability could have led to a DDoS attack, which is basically when multiple compromised computer systems attack a target. Now, in terms of the Bitcoin network, the perpetrators could have flooded the nodes on Bitcoin's peer-to-peer network.
What's perhaps more concerning is that this bug has laid undiscovered in the code for 2 years.
And the Bitcoin Core team have also been criticized as well for the way they handled the patchwork without consulting other altcoins, many of which rely on the same code.
As for the prices, Bitcoin started last Monday at $6,520. Mid-afternoon, we saw a sudden drop to a daily low of $6,285, and it stayed more or less at that level throughout most of Tuesday.
But on Tuesday afternoon, prices did increase slightly and hovered around the $6,350 mark for over 24 hours. Then on Thursday, prices fluctuated all day really between $6,400 and $6,500. On Friday, prices broke through the $6,700 barrier, reaching a high of $6,777 towards the end of the day. Then the weekend high, well, that came on Saturday morning, with prices briefly reaching $6,814 before ending Sunday on $6,690.
And that's all for Bitcoin this week. I'm Maria Wowchuk.
I'm Tom Bell.
Don't forget to subscribe for more.
And see you next time.